Hello, and thank you for checking out the Creative Project Management Dashboard by DesignMinder. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the key features and highlights. So, on the left-hand side, you'll see we have buttons for creating new projects, new tasks, and new notes. We also have buttons to view our stakeholder list, view the notes that we've created, and also view the tags. Coming down here to the bottom, you have access to help, contact information, and then just general Notion information. And then now on the dashboard in our main view, we have our projects view here. So you can see projects sorted by phase. We have our open tasks view where you can toggle down and see subtasks as well. We have task by due date, task by context. Of course, late if we're having some problems getting things done or maybe our plate's a little full. And then also viewing by tags. Now coming down to look at your My Week view, we have calendar. We also have a task timeline if you prefer this view, and you can adjust dates and delivery times there as well. And then we don't want to lose track of your progress. And so you come down here to see all of the great work that you've done by week and by month. And I know that was a little quick, but hopefully you have a better understanding of all that you can do and the potential with the Creative Project Management Dashboard by DesignMinder. Thanks.